Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. This is our fourth lecture video on chapter agriculture, and in this video you will learn about the major crops grown in India. Not only this, but I promise that this video is gonna be the mouth-watering video for you all. So let's begin. You all must have gone to various ration or grocery shops before. But have you noticed the different varieties of food grains, pulses, spices, oil, tea and coffee which are available in the shop? Or have you wondered where does these crops come from? If not, then next time when you go to such shops, take a closer look on all these products. All these have come from crops grown by different farmers in different parts of India, depending on the types of soil, ways of cultivation, and climatic conditions. Before we see each crops individually, let us understand the classification of crops. Broadly, crops of India are classified into two, that is, food crops and non-food crops. Again, these food crops are divided into two, which is grain crops and non-grain crops. So in this video we'll be covering about grain crops, which includes rice, wheat, maize, millets and pulses. So when you see these pictures of tasty foods that you eat and enjoy, sell rotis, delicious kheer, tasty biryanis, they all are made from rice, isn't it? So rice is the staple food for a majority of India's population. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. Rice is a kharif crop, as you all know, and it requires very high temperature above 25 degrees centigrade and humidity, and it also requires rainfall more than 100 centimeter for its proper growth. The main rice producing areas in India are the coastal and the delta regions and the northeastern states of India. However, the development of irrigation facilities has enabled rice cultivation in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan, where rainfall is less. So this is all about rice. Now if you again see the pictures of the mouth-watering puris and the delicious biscuits, cakes and bread that you all eat are made from wheat or wheat products. So let us understand something about wheat. Wheat is a rabi crop that requires cool weather for growth and warm weather for ripening, and it requires 50 to 75 centimeters of rainfall. Wheat is majorly grown in the northwestern plains of India and parts of the Deccan Plateau. The main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. After wheat, let's see the pictures of tasty, cheesy, tangy sweet corns, popcorns, which is a perfect combination for a movie, the crunchy cornflakes that you eat in breakfast, and hot corn soup in Chinese restaurants. All the main ingredients in these dishes is maize or corn. Maize is majorly a kharif crop, though it is also grown in the rabi season in some parts of Bihar. Maize grows well in old alluvial soils at a moderate temperature from 21 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade. The major maize producing states in India are Karnataka, UP, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. When we talk about food grains, we immediately think of rice and wheat only, isn't it? However, several other food grains are also there, like jowar, bajra, ragi, which are also grown and consumed in India. These food grains are all together is known as coarse grains or millets, and are also used as animal fodder. Jowar is the third most important food grains cultivated in India. This is a rain-fed crops, means this requires little or no irrigation. Maharashtra is the leading producer of jowar. Other important jowar producing states are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Similarly, bajra grows in shallow black soils and sandy soils of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the leading producer of bajra that forms the important form of diet in these regions. Other important bajra producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Ragi, which is also known as finger millets, kodo, is known as its high nutritional value as it contains iron, calcium and roughage. Ragi grows almost in all types of soils like red, black, sandy or loamy soils. Karnataka is the leading producer of ragi. Other important ragi producing states are Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Now all these pictures of delicious foods are made from pulses. Without it, we all know that the rotis or rice meals will be incomplete. So let's talk about pulses. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses. When we talk about pulses, it provides protein which is very important for our health. There are different types of pulses like moong, arhar, urad, masoor, etc. Leaving arhar dal, all other plants are leguminous plants, which you must have studied in science also. Leguminous plants help in increasing soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from air. Therefore, it is used to grow in rotation with other crops. To increase fertility of soil, the most important pulses producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Till now we have discussed about the food grain crops of India. Now in our next video we will be learning about the non-grain crops and non-food crops. I hope you have understood till now. I guess you must be feeling hungry after looking this video. So just go and grab whatever you find in the kitchen, but do not forget to relate your food with this video and where does it come from. Thank you.